All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Clock Stoppers Racing Loft. My name is Dariel, and today we're going to be pairing up our 2025 breeders. I usually want to try to pair the birds around Thanksgiving, but this year I ran into some complications and I started putting this little room together for breeding. So I'm a little bit behind, but we got the birds that I want to pair up first round. We got them in this little crate right here. I'm going to take them out and put them with their pairs and give you guys a little bit of information on them. I will probably, I'm just actually randomly reaching in here grabbing them. So as I take them out, it may not be the birds that they're paired with, but all right. So this is Pretty Boy. He's a Daisha cock. I got a nice hen that I'm pairing him to. I'm kind of keeping it a secret right now, though. I'm not saying who I'm pairing him to right now. But this is Pretty Boy. His hen is already in her cage. I got the cages separated. I mean, I got the dividers in the cages right now so the hens and cocks can't get to each other, to let them get acquainted with each other. Uh-oh, this is the big boy right here. This is Pencil Paradise. Some of you guys that follow my channel, y'all know him. He is a Baldwin Tilson cock, 1148 son. And I am pairing him to a hen that he's already paired to. They've already had 2 babies for me, late hatches. And so I am pairing him back with Anastasia. On this side is some cages that don't have dividers in them, but I'm putting birds in those that have already been paired together before, so I shouldn't have a problem with them. And this is Anastasia. No, this isn't Anastasia. This is Black Hawk. Who do I got Black Hawk paired to? Okay. This is Black Hawk. This is a Daisha bird. A lot of their feathers are a little munked up right now because before I brought them in here, we gave them all their annual vaccines and sprayed them for mites and of course they were fighting. Let's see, where am I gonna put Black Hawk? Let's put Black Hawk down here. They were fighting and fighting us to get loose. So their feathers are a little whacked up right now. Let's see, who is this? 340. Feathers all munked up. This is HOD 340. This is a 2024 young bird. This bird is actually off of Pencil Paradise, which is the Baldwin Tilson cock, and I'm pairing her to Black Hawk. But she's off of Pencil Paradise and a bird named Jocelyn Hernandez. Jocelyn Hernandez is a Greek Nemelka bird. So this hen right here will be paired with Black Hawk. Let's see who else we got. All right, guys, so this is Daisha 354. She's a 2015. This is Anastasia. This is the bird that I've had paired to Pencil Paradise. I like the way him and her young birds came out, babies came out. And so like I said before, I bred 2 of them for late hatches, but I want to breed a couple off of these 2 to put on my race team this year. So this is Anastasia. She's a Daisha bird, and she's paired to Pencil Paradise. Alrighty. All right, this is RFRP 190 2023. This is Jocelyn Hernandez. She is a Nemelka Greek bird. Got her from James over at Robertson Family Racing Pigeons. So, James, if you're looking, buddy, this is the hen that I got from you, man. Very nice hen. She's pretty feisty and crazy. Very nice hen, though. And I'm pairing Jocelyn Hernandez to... Oh, I'm trying something new. I'm pairing her to a cock off of her and Pencil Paradise from last year. Some of y'all might not. I know some guys don't like to do any inbreeding for birds that they fly. Some people say that they only like inbred birds for breeding, and some people don't inbreed at all. But that's a preference thing. But I want to try her back to her son and see what they do for me. So she will be paired to her son. So I'm going to put Jocelyn Hernandez down here. And this is actually her son that I'll be pairing her to. And those of you guys that don't like inbreeding birds, don't y'all ridicule me, man. Don't y'all crucify me on YouTube because of what I'm doing. If you don't like it, it's okay. But this is her son. This is 333, HOD 333. Like I said before, he's a 2024 young bird. And I'll be pairing him to his mother, Jocelyn Hernandez. And his dad is Pencil Paradise, the Baldwin Tilson cock. Quit fighting. I really like this cock. He's been very feisty and aggressive in the loft. He's been beating up on a lot of the old birds, the old cocks in the loft. So again, I haven't named him yet, but this is 333. He will be getting paired to his mother, Jocelyn Hernandez. All right, this bird is off of, excuse me, this bird is off of Baldwin Tilson's Pencil Paradise, the 1148 cock, and Jocelyn Hernandez, the Nemelka Greek hen. And I'm gonna pair this bird with a Daisha bird as well. Pretty bird, nice bird. Let's see, I'll put you up here. All right, this is HOD 346. This is a 2024 young bird as well. This is, I'm gonna have to look again. I left my other notebook in the loft, and I know this bird, I know on the top side this is Daisha, but I can't remember on the bottom side. I want to say it's Jocelyn Hernandez on the bottom side, but I don't want to tell you guys wrong, but I think that I was pairing a Jocelyn Hernandez son to a Jocelyn Hernandez daughter on this breeding. So I think that's what this bird is off of. If it's not, then it's Daisha top and bottom. But I'm pretty sure it's Jocelyn Hernandez, but I will double check before, I'll double check and let you guys know. But I like this young bird a lot. So it is being paired with a Baldwin Tilson Pencil Paradise bird. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I hope you guys have a blessed weekend.